Hi everyone. Now we can see child vaccination management system. In this, we are using for backend Python, Flask framework, and MySQL server. And front end, we are using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap also. Now we can see demo how it will work. I am using for database XAMPP server. So we need to start Apache and MySQL. You can see Apache server is running and MySQL server is running on these port numbers. Now we can go to coding part. So in this Flask framework we are using. So we need to install those libraries. I already installed for these libraries, and we connecting the database through the backend to MySQL database. So this and all the models for database, and also we routed the HTML files. HTML files is inside templates file is there. So now we can route the template files, all template files routing in Flask framework. Inside CSS we are doing styles, and styles is there for all every part. And also we have JavaScript files inside JS file main.js we routed, and we writing that functions. Now we can see how it will run this file. So for that, running Python main.py for this running command. If we run this, we will get one URL. We can copy paste from any browser. Now we can see the local host is running on port number 5000. This is the home page of child vaccination management system. We can change images also. Now we can see parent login. In this, we can register or login is there, and we can see in from my database tables. So in this, we can log in or register. If we give inputs, it will stored in database parent table. Like that, it will store. But I was already registered, so now I can directly log in. This is my username and password also. If I log in, it will directly go to parent dashboard. This is the parent dashboard profile page. We can see parent details, and we can change password. If I don't want my old password, we can change. This is the manage child data. If I give child data, it will store on database also and will display in this place. So just I will show you demo. The name is test2, age is 12, the date of birth is just if I want 2020, like that we can choose. And gender female, and weight 10 kg, and height 70 centimeter, and we can select hospital. I selected this hospital, and we can choose vaccines. This is a 10-year child, so I am choosing this. If I add, we can check in this place, and also it will store in database also. Now we can see these details will stored in database, and it will display. In this we can edit also. If I click edit, it will show edit. We can give edit. If I don't want this, we can delete. In this, if I delete, it will delete from SQL database with in this place also. So now we can go to book appointment. This is the parent login. So parent can choose book appointment. This is the test to child. Which date do you want? We can choose appointment date. Under timing also we can choose. I am giving just a demo for this. If we give book appointment, it will go to store in database, and also hospital give to approve. Now we can see our book appointment is successfully. In this place we can see appointment. Just this is the appointment date. Status is pending. If hospital will give approve, it will status will change pending to approve like this. Now I will show you. Now we can go to hospital. This is the hospital login. If I give register, it will also stored in database, and admin give approve, it will show parents. We can choose another hospital like that. Just I will show you. This is the hospital name and hospital email, and also password. And choose, we can give address 52 India, like that we can choose any address. If I give register, it will stored in database. Now we can see hospital is registered. See, now we can see in database Apollo is displaying and status is pending. If I go to admin page, this is the admin password and username. We can check in hospital, view hospitals. If you click, see, now we can see. If I give approve, it will change to status in database, and parents also we can choose like that, it will work. Now I can give approve. So I just click approve button. So in status was changed. In database also we can check. See, status was approved. Now we can log in hospital. Before we are booked the appointment, we can log in that hospital. Vimala. No password. If I give login, it will go to hospital dashboard. In this we can see appointments. Before I give test to female and these details, in this place if I give approve, it will change to status. Now we can see it was approved, and we can check in parent login password. View appointment. In this place we can check. So before it was pending, now it was changed to approve. Like this it will work. Parent and hospital. And in admin can check hospital and parent and child data. Now we can check. This is view hospitals. If you don't want hospitals, admin can delete and approve also, like that it will work. In child data we can see in by admin. In this how many children's data is there we can check, and also book appointment. If parents will book appointment, that all details also we can see in by admin. Like this it will work. And if I click this export data, we can download CSV file and we can check admin by admin. Admin can check appointment details. Like this it will work. Thank you.